Hello everyone, friends on the Weller channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Claude in Visual Studio. Well, how to set it up, like install. To do this, we need to go to VS Code itself. In general, nothing else is required, so to speak, from external sources. Go to the extension and write Claude here. Claude Code, click install. That's it. Well, accordingly, after installation, we go into our project of some kind. Here we will have the cloudy button. Go in respectively. Well, click here, copy this link, paste in any browser, and log in. After that, you'll have a cloudy code. Well, Claude code, that's all. It was Weller. Like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.